Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we share Wi-Fi network Redmi phone to any another phone. Friends, you have your Redmi phone and friends you have connected any Wi-Fi network and friends you have your Wi-Fi and friends you want to share this Wi-Fi to any another phone without enter password. So friends, how can you share and get this phone guys? I have got this Techno phone and guys I will connect Wi-Fi with QR code. And friends, now let's see how to connect Wi-Fi with QR code and then how can we share Wi-Fi Redmi phone to another phone guys. In this video guys I will show you. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting. Guys click on your Wi-Fi setting and which network guys you have connected. So guys click on guys this, tap to share password setting guys, tap here and in this one guys I will on Wi-Fi setting guys. So once I will on this setting and when I have this Techno phone, so first of all guys I will on this Wi-Fi setting and you can see this scanner option. Friends, tap here and then you will have to scan guys this Wi-Fi QR code. Then guys you can see this connect option, you can see this notification guys, tap here as you can see without enter password guys Wi-Fi network has connected in our Redmi. Oh guys, this Techno phone can see guys connected. So like that guys, if you want to connect you can connect and once you can see Wi-Fi network will share to another phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye friends.